We are at Daiso for their grand opening, and we thought we'd just go right in, but no, we cannot go right in. It's a madhouse here. Look at the line. Are they giving out free shit? I hope they are, because I don't want to be waiting in line here. That's crazy.
It wraps around the corner. Look at this.
Yeah, and then it goes all the way to the other corner too. Yeah, I'm good. We'll come back like tomorrow.
In a month?
Yeah. I'm not in a rush. Welcome to Las Vegas. We are at Daiso's for the second time. Brian really insisted that we come today, and look, there's still a line. I want to go home, but obviously he really needs to buy something from in here.
Well, I mean, I thought grand opening, we showed you guys footage of the grand opening, but it's been 4 days and
yeah, there's still a line.
These people, hopefully it's not the same people, but there's still a line here. Like, let's go in and see what's going on. Like, what are they giving out? What do you think, honey?
Free stuff, hopefully. Better be.
I doubt it at this point, but let's go see what they have inside. All right, let's go. Oh, we finally got in.
Finally.
All right, we're in. Hi, Preston.
No.
Hi. And there's Linda. All right, let's see what they got in here. So, this is the store. It's actually pretty bright in here. Like, it's very well lit.
They got Disney. Look, it's Monster Inc. Wait, what is this? Oh, cake mold.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
So they have the trademark to be able to sell this stuff. The Disney stuff, which is pretty cool. Yeah.
And this one's princesses.
Is it cake mold? What is it?
Yeah. This is chocolate mold and this is cake mold.
Wow. Cool.
And look, they tell you the price, the range.
Oh yeah, it's funny. Like they have the prices in yen and US dollar.
Yeah, it's price.
All right, let's see. Event and seasonal goods. This place is just busy. Character goods. So I did speak with the person working in the front, and they have been so busy since they opened that they have they're running low on some stock, but they're gonna restock next week because it is the New Year holiday. But just to give you guys an idea what they have: arts and crafts, gift wrapping, living accessories. But you know what? I bet you kitchen tools, kitchen disposables. Oh wow, great. Tableware, cleaning supplies, gardening. Toys, electronics. Oh, they have food, but yeah. This looks like the toilet paper aisle during the pandemic. I guess I have to restock. What is that?
It doesn't have bait. Huh? It's a clip that's supposed to help you cut better bangs.
So, and Linda just agreed
Apparently I did.
for a future episode.
Check in on January 24th to see the outcome.
All right, I want to see
Let's
it.
see how straight
Let's
Linda's
do it.
bangs will come out.
You gonna try it out?
That's funny.
That's cool.
No.
Honestly, guys, like dollar store is not really my thing, but it's just so popular that I had to come check it out. And it's just, I mean, look at this place. It's not even grand opening. Oh, look, it's a little shopaholic. Did you find anything good?
No.
Not really.
No.
Is it because
It's there already.
inventory is low? Okay.
The line go all the way back there.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Stop it. What? The line's over there? No.
Dude, what do you mean?
What? Okay, so Lee just noticed that the line starts right there, and then it just wraps around the store. Like literally, supposedly it goes all the way to the front. Yeah, it looks like people are just lined up. Okay, so all right, then I'm gonna go see what I need here, and then we'll go from there. Bye.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to be brave, work hard, and most importantly, enjoy your journey.